hit the brew, get up on my 1-2. Yeah, y'all niggas rap career been through. Cut them like a Ginsu, ride them like a Kawasaki. Got this little Latina bitch and she call me Poppy like I knocked her mama up. Niggas keep the drama up, my nigga eat money, pull the thing and keep the llamas up. And you know we bury it, kill the competition, what I gotta do. And nigga, I speak the truth, why would I lie to you? Nigga, I don't lie to do, I speak the truth. And you know I murk the beat, in or out the fucking booth. Fuck the booth, I'm on my grizzly, gotta get this money at this moment. But give me a couple years, I swear I'm on it. You niggas don't want it. This beat, this rap, I got this shit like it's a ran and it's a rap. You niggas is whack, nigga fall back. You see original and it's on the fucking hat. Because I got original swag, it's like that. I'm going through shit that y'all niggas couldn't handle, but I got it. Like a pot on a skillet, I handle it. And like a motherfucker that's fucked up, you ain't managing shit. So what the fuck you niggas talking about? Man, you better watch the next word that come up out your mouth. For my niggas be surrounding you and your man's house. And you niggas talking about them grands, man, what's that about? Niggas still walking, ain't got nowhere to live. But I've been up on my grizzly since I was about 16. And I've been about that green, hell yeah, I'm riding clean. All black, everything, nigga, you know what I mean, ho. You know what I mean, ho. All about that green, ho. Batman and this motherfucking money is my thing, ho. Change up the beat on you, ho. All-star flow, you can call me Young Kobe. Shooting from the 3 like a nigga is Ginobili. Nigga, you don't know me, these niggas can't hold me like AI. Back in the day, you niggas is super gay, like that nigga gay or whatever his name be. You niggas never ever gonna change me. I remain the same G. Got my all black tee and it's Black Friday, so I gotta give you this Black Friday freestyle off the dome, cause I was feeling it. And this instrumental coming on, you know I'm killing it. My niggas on some killer shit. Free my nigga Illy, man. And you niggas know that I'm all about a milli, man. Not from Memphis, but I've been up on my grizzly, man. Niggas see me swagging Diddy, bopping like Diddy, man. Been to run the city, man. A-Town, stand up. East side, put your guns up. Don't fuck with us. Niggas run up, they get put in that jam. You niggas know you get sniped like the fucking camera. And you niggas cannot handle us. Batman do the shit, y'all don't stand me, bro. Y'all niggas laying down on the floor, you better wake up. You niggas put a pep in your step before I catch up. And when I catch up, I'm gone. I'm long gone, I'm NASA, man. And you niggas know I'm preaching, so they call me Pastor, man. But I'm not no Pastor Troy, just call me Bad Measy. In this 9 milli measy, help these niggas breathe easy, feel the breezy. Blowing through the holes in your body, put the bitch in the back, cause my nigga called Shotty. And that bitch got body, but I don't give a fuck. Throw that bitch a pack of swishers, told that hoe to roll up. And my nigga told the 9 and I told him load up, cause these niggas disrespecting and they cannot hold us. Fuck, nigga. Fall back, nigga. YMF, we mobbing on y'all hoes, nigga. Look, freestyle Black Friday, you know what I'm saying? Get it in original, nigga. Put it on, nigga.